So today I have got a Mad Beauty Advent Calendar to unbox. This is the Tinkerbell one. Now I think this has been out a little while, but I seen this on the Mad Beauty Amazon account. So like, you know how brands have their own accounts on Mad Beauty, they actually on Amazon, Mad Beauty have their own page, and I seen that this was on their page, so I was like, yes, I'll screenshot and put it down. Anyways, this was £12.50 I think for a 12-day advent calendar, so it works about £1 something a day. And I love Tinkerbell, so I had to get it. I just really want to unbox it because I really do love Tinkerbell. Like, I do. I have for years. If you know me and you're watching me, you know I love Tinkerbell. And I don't want to rip this open because I think it's so pretty. I just think this is such a pretty advent calendar. It's just so pretty, yeah. Absolutely the cutest little thing ever. So I don't really want to rip it open, but we're going to rip it open and see what's inside it. And anyways, but yeah, it's we're going to unbox this. And anyways, this is a Mad Beauty advent calendar. It works about around £1 a day because it's a 12-day advent calendar. Yeah, so we're just going to get into day number 1. We have got, let's have a look. Day number 1 is the She Gives a Little Sparkle Everywhere She Goes body lotion. Oh, how pretty is the packaging? Yeah, let's have a look. See, I'm trying to see what size it is. It's not a very big size, it's quite a small size, but I'm so cute. Right, went to day number 2, a little square here. We have got a loofah. I don't think it's going to be the very best of loofahs. It looks rather small. Yeah, it's just a small little loofah, but it's so pretty. So yeah, we have got a loofah. We want day number 3. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's going in my purse. It is just a Tinkerbell nail file. That's got Tinkerbell on that side, and it's just a plain one on this side. This will be the side I use on my nails. It's let's have a see. Well, it's filing them actually. I was quite shocked. I thought it's not the strongest nail files, but it's just filed my nails, so it'll do the job when I get little nicks on them. But look at that. Oh, I love that. I mean, it's not really worth £1, you know, but it's a novelty factor. Right, we're on day number 3. So we're on day number 4. We have got, if I can get it out, a little tiny bath fizzer. This is only 20 grams. This is a jar, but it's very little and dinky. It's got the little Tinkerbell logo on, but yeah, it is very small. So we got a bath fizzer. So day number 5 down here, we have got some bath salts. So I would probably use the bath salts and the fizzer together in one bath, with the fizzer being small and this not the biggest bag. It's 50 grams though. Oh, they smell beautiful. I didn't even smell the bath fizzer. Can't smell the bath fizzer through the cellophane, but these bath salts, oh my god, what scent are they? Doesn't say. Smells beautiful, whatever they are. Oh, really nice. Really nice. I'm excited about them. That was 5. We're on day number 6, which is this one here. We have got hand cream. Oh my god, look at the packaging on this. It's sealed. I would have opened it and see what it scented was, if it was scented. But I'm going to leave it sealed and new. But that is so pretty. That is definitely what I'm going to keep for myself. It's just too cute not to. I really like it. If it's too heavily scented, I might have to pass it on to one of my family, but I'm going to try it to see, because it's very cute. If you don't know, I have like peeling skin on my hands. So that was day number 6. We went day number 7. I'm guessing a nail by nail because it's small. Oh, I'm ripping into her hair. I feel so guilty. We have got a lip balm. Oh, it's got such pretty packaging again. It smells like vanilla, I think. It smells nice, whatever it is. Just a clear type lip balm like that. Can you see? Really, really cute. That was 7. We want 8, which is down the side of here. We have got another nail file, which I don't like as much, but it's very pretty. But yeah, I preferred the other one because it's actually Tinkerbell. This is just a plain, pretty, it's pretty nail file. That was 8. We want 9. Oh, we've got another bag of bath salts, 50 gram again. I think they smell the same. I think they smell the same, but yeah, 2 bags of bath salts. That was 9, so we want 10. Guessing another lip balm then. I was right, I'm getting good at this. And this one has got the She Leaves a Little Sparkle Everywhere, like packaging on it. Smells like cocoa butter, this lip balm for definite. Like a cocoa butter scent. We want 11, so we're nearly at the end. I'm guessing another bath scissor because it's square. It is. Yeah, I can mildly smell this one, but I can't work out what the scent is. But that is it there. Day number 12, the last day. I honestly haven't got a clue what it is. A body wash. A body wash, that is it there. And it doesn't say the scent. So that is the Tinkerbell Advent Calendar unboxed. I'm just having a look. Does it say what scent this stuff is? I can't see a scent, but everything smelled nice. What I will say about this is it's definitely not for adults. It's aimed at young girls, I think, or young girls and boys who like Tinkerbell. At £12, I still don't even think it's bad value, because when you're getting advent calendars like this, I think it's aimed at a certain genre of type, and I feel like when Megan was little, she would have absolutely loved this, you know. And at £12, you're not breaking the banks, but the joy in their face to have little pretty things, especially the ones with actually Tinkerbell on, would really make their day. So obviously, I don't think this is one that I'd rush out and buy for myself again. I was hoping for like a sheet mask or something like that. You know, just something cutesy. But overall, I think it's still alright for the genre of it's aimed at, like young little girls and that. Yeah, young little Tinkerbell fans. So it was really cute. And I'm not upset that I bought it because I loved it. It was so pretty. Yeah. But I definitely think it's aimed at who it's aimed at, if you know what I mean. If you have any other Mad Beauty advent calendars that you would like me to unbox, I would love to do that. You guys know I love to unbox advent calendars, so put links in the description box, everything like that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.